Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by confirming system and power status. Make sure iOS is recent and battery is healthy. Once done, install the specific app or shortcut that enables dynamic island changes because Apple's default UI won't let you edit core behavior. Make sure to back up your current settings and note which widgets are active so you can restore if needed. Now open the app and grant the minimal permissions it asks for. This unlocks the customization steps that follow. You'll now configure the main behaviors inside the tool. First, create a new profile or choose an existing template. This keeps changes reversible. Then adjust visual parameters like size, animation speed, color accents, and transparency so they match legibility and system feel. After that, map functions. Decide whether media, calls, timers, or app events trigger the custom island and set priority rules. Once your mapping is in place, test each trigger briefly to confirm the expected. You finish by applying the profile and testing it across apps you use most. Check music, navigation, and call behavior. Once applied, make sure animations feel smooth. If you see lag, toggle background app refresh, re-grant required permissions, or restart the phone to clear temporary issues. If something breaks, switch to your saved backup profile or restore original settings. This recovers functionality quickly. And if problems persist, remove the customization tool and reinstall it before repeating these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.